ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Iba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isang puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanghaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gaano kataas. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga. Laguna, tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Iba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna, Bebet, Club, Intertown, ito na
is the start of our third game for the day. It's our 17 under division matchup sa pagitan ng Binyan City at ng Blue Steel San Pablo City. And to start, first five para dito sa Binyan, we have Golpo, Melgarejo, Manso, Gutierrez, and Barameda. Meanwhile, para dito sa Blue Steel, we have De Luna, Flores, Pelayo, Escoses at Manarang. It's the jump ball to officially start our ball game. First ball possession will go to San Pablo City. Pelayo to Escoses to Manarang. Manarang will penetrate. He is blocked by Gutierrez. Ball possession will remain sa side ng Blue Steel. Manarang quick pass to Escoses, and he will launch a three. That's no good. Rebound. It's no good para dito kay Flores. Barameda giving that ball to Manzo. Back to Barameda. Manzo. Long pass to Melgarejo. Gutierrez is in trouble here. Golpo. That's a 3 seconds violation for Unil and his squad. Lawrence setting up that play. Pelayo finding Denmark. Manarang is blocked. Era still here. But that's out of bounds. Bola ng Binyan. Manso. Good defense here by Escoses. Barameda lulusot. Bounce pass to Unil. Golpo. To Manso, there's a whistle here on JC number 44, Escoses. 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa lungsod ng Binyan. 10 seconds to shoot. And that's a three-pointer para dito kay Brian Manso to open our ball game. Flores finding Escoses for two. That's a long two para dito kay Khalil Escoses. And Manso setting up that play. He finds Barameda, two. Melgarejo, and a steal here by Khalil Escoses. Escoses lilipad. That's a two-pointer for Escoses. And Harold with a steal. Here comes Denmark. Manarang lays it in. 6 straight baskets para 6 straight points for Blue Steel. And a timeout will be called by Binyan. Official score is 6-3 in favor of San Pablo City. We are back to the ball game after the timeout. And Unil will be blocked. Sorry, that's not Unil, I think. That's Barameda. will be blocked by De Luna. Escoses will launch a 3. That's no good para dito kay Khalil. Here comes Melgarejo on that fast break for 2. Flores is in trouble. Khalil Escoses recovers that possession. Escoses finding Manarang bounce pass to Kelvin De Luna. No good. Gutierrez is there. And here comes Golpo. Will try that fast break. Barameda for 2. That's no good. Manarang on that rebound. Manarang bounce pass to Pelayo. To Escoses for another try at the 3-point area. That's no good. Flores with 10. He will find Denmark underneath that basket. Pelayo, good defense by Pelayo to Gutierrez. Gutierrez will attack. That's no good. De Luna finds Flores to Manarang. He finds Escoses. Escoses is on fire here for Blue Steel, and we have a whistle. Foul on jersey number 99, Denmark Manarang. First personal foul and second team foul for Blue Steel. We have Melgarejo finding Brian Manzo. Manzo losing that pass to Gutierrez. Here comes Harold Flores. Flores sasalaksak, finds De Luna. What a play there by Flores and De Luna. And there's a whistle here. It's a foul on jersey number 21, Ezequiel Pelayo. That will be his first personal foul and 3-team foul for Blue Steel. Brian Manso spinning. Back-to-back fouls para dito kay Ezequiel Pelayo. Sending Brian Manso on the free throw line. And second shot is good. The Roca and Sidlaka now inside for Blue Steel. Flores finding Escoses. Escoses sidesteps, is blocked, but De Luna is there. De Luna outside pass to Flores. Flores, that's a traveling violation para dito kay Kapitan Harold Flores. Manso finding Golpo. Here comes Unil trying to attack. Unil will be blocked there by Sid Lacan. Here comes the Roca finding Escoses. Escoses finds Harold Flores on the other side. Sid Lacan back to Flores with 10 seconds to shoot. Flores will penetrate. He finds Doroca launching a 3. That's John Lloyd Doroca. Era still here by Doroca. And we have a whistle. Basket count for John Lloyd Doroca. Back-to-back baskets here for John Lloyd Doroca. Comes Gutierrez. Unil Golpo will find. Intercepted by Doroca. Manso finds Carencia there. Carencia misses that shot. Flores finding Escoses. Here comes Escoses. Escoses will be blocked. De Luna is there. De Luna on the follow-up basket. Still no good. De Luna recovers. De Luna pa din. De Luna still no good. Kapitan saving that possession. It's out of bounds for Flores. And now we can see Austin Yambao inside. For Binyan City. Twin tower defense here for sure for Binyan. With Gutierrez and Yambao inside. Austin Yambao for his first basket. No good. Sid Lacan is there on the rebound. He gives the ball to Flores. Flores lays it in. That's too strong for Harold. Carencia finding. Intercepted by Sid Lacan. Gusi. Pass to De Luna. Another basket for John Calvin De Luna. Gutierrez against that defense of De Luna, but Austin Yambao is there on that follow-up. De Luna will find Gusi outside. He finds Duroca. And Duroca will find Sid Lacan. Sid Lacan! 2 points para dito kay Dennis Sid Lacan. Here comes Benedicto trying to penetrate that defense. Gusi with a steal, stolen back by Carencia. And Duroca will try. Carencia passes that ball to Flores. And Flores this time lays it in. Still no good for Kapitan Harold. Gusi on that follow-up is good. Gutierrez. There comes Jason Retian. He loses possession of that one with that block from Sid Lacan. De Luna. Is in trouble there. 14 seconds to shoot for Binyan. Now Punto and Faraon inside. And we have a warning for technical for jersey number 12, Sean Kelvin De Luna, for unsportsmanlike behavior. Faraon on that rebound gives that ball to Sid Lacan. Sid Lacan losing that possession. Yambao. Austin. De derecho atake, but is blocked by Faraon. It's a foul on jersey number 15, Duroca. That will be John Lloyd's first personal foul and a penalty para dito sa San Pablo. Austin Yambao on the free throw line, shooting 2. First shot for Austin is good. Second shot, no good. Rek Paran is there. Secure that rebound for Blue Steel. Kenneth Gusi finding Ace Punto. Back to Gusi. Comes Duroca on the leather. Duroca back to Gusi. Gusi with 10. And he will find Faraon. Last touch dito. Para kay Federico. 8 seconds to shoot. Here comes Ace Punto. Ace will launch, but he will be blocked there. Here comes Austin on the leather. Austin stops and launches the three. That's no good. Joshua Carencia will be blocked by Ace Punto there. Duroca Finding Faraon. Faraon fakes. Faraon launching. That's no good for Rek Faraon. And he's blocked there by Sidlakan. That attempt by Magallanes was blocked by Dennis Sidlakan. Austin Yambao stops and launch a three. Yes, sir! Ten seconds left. Kenneth Gusi setting up that play. He finds ace punto. Gusi losing possession. And that's the end of our first quarter. Score is 23-12 in favor Blue Seal San Pablo City. We are back to the ball game. This is the start of the second quarter. We're witnessing San Pablo City versus Binyan City. De Los Santos finding Panganiban back to De Los Santos. He will find David launching a three fresh from the bench. That's no good. De Los Santos with that save. Sorry, it's now on the side of Binyan. Magallanes, de derecho, bounce pass is no good. Same ball. Tama sa pa dito ni Kervin ang bola. Magallanes. And still here by De Luna to De Los Santos. Couldn't get that pass from David. Era still here by De Los Santos. De Los Santos is in trouble. Stolen back by De La Cruz. De La Cruz lays it in. To open that quarter para dito sa Binyan. De Los Santos giving that ball to David. And David spinning. David will give back that ball to De Los Santos. And Panganiban breaks. Panganiban penetrates. Fernandez will be fouled. It's a foul on jersey number 16 here. That's De La Cruz. His first personal foul. First team foul for the quarter for Binyan. First shot for Fernandez, no good. Aaron Clyde on his second throw. Still no good. Austin Yambao on that rebound. Giving that ball to Federico. To Yambao for another three. No good. Gutierrez is there on that rebound. Gutierrez will be fouled. It's a foul on jersey number 16, Fernandez. And now on the free throw line, we have Mark Gutierrez shooting 2. First shot no good for Mako. Second shot is good. Lead is down to 8 para dito sa San Pablo City. De Los Santos finding the Panganiban on the other side. Here comes David back to Panganiban. And Panganiban fires a long three, no good. Gutierrez finding De La Cruz. De La Cruz almost losing that possession. Here comes Austin. Austin losing that ball. Here comes Aaron Clyde. Aaron Clyde bounce pass to Jared De Los Santos. Gutierrez finding Austin to De La Cruz for free. Yes, sir! Quick response there from Binyan. Here comes Giro David trying to answer and he is fouled. It's a foul on jersey number 18, Magallanes. That will be his first personal foul and second team foul para dito sa Binyan City. First shot for David, no good. Second shot, still no good for Giro David. Third shot, finally basket para dito kay Giro David. 8-point lead ang inahalagaan dito ng San Pablo Ayambao. They lose that possession. But a rover pass by Magallanes and a timeout will be called here. Para sa Binyan City, official score is 26-18. 8-point lead for Blue Steel, San Pablo City. We are back to the ball game. After the timeout by Binyan. Ball possession of Blue Steel. Here comes David. To De Los Santos. To Panganiban. 8 seconds to shoot. He finds Jared De Los Santos. To Aaron Clyde Fernandez. To Panganiban fakes. And that's it. Shot clock violation. Para dito sa San Pablo City. Barameda finding Magallanes back to Barameda. What a pass there. But Golpo will miss that shot. Golpo on that follow-up is good. Babasaan yung makalamangan dito ng San Pablo. David on that letter. Finding De Los Santos. De Los Santos will find Panganiban and Panganiban will penetrate his block. De Luna on the follow-up is good. First basket for John Kervin De Luna there. Golpo losing balance and losing that possession. De Los Santos. Out of bounds dito para kay Jared. Now Flores is back inside for San Pablo. And also Melgarejo is also here inside for Binyan. Barameda to Maki. Mark Gutierrez rather. Fernandez on the rebound. Will give that ball to Flores. Flores to David. Fakes. And David gives that ball to Flores to Fernandez. What a play there from Flores and Fernandez. Comes Manso on the letter, finding Melgarejo. Back to Barameda. Here comes Melgarejo for three. Yes, sir! And a quick answer here by Giro David. Comes Gutierrez to Yuniel Golpo. To Melgarejo, he gets that foul. It's a foul on jersey number 29, John Kervin De Luna. First shot no good para dito kay Melgarejo. Second shot still no good. But Yuniel is there to save that possession. Barameda passes that ball accidentally to Escoces. Escoces finding Flores on the letter. As Flores finds Fernandez once again. 4-2. Same spot, same result for Aaron Clyde Fernandez. Extending the lead back to 11 for San Pablo. Manso finding Yuniel. Golpo finds Melgarejo. Melgarejo lalapit. Answers back. And that's Matthew Melgarejo, y'all. For another basket, Kervin De Luna. Kervin atake. It's no good, but Flores is there. It's out of bounds. Ball possession will remain. So Blue Seal and a timeout will be called by San Pablo City. Official score is 25-34. A 9-point lead para sa San Pablo City. Wala pala. Pumitig ako. I forgot. 13 seconds to shoot here para sa Blue Steel. And Escoces will receive that ball from Flores. Escoces with 10 seconds to shoot. He finds Manarang. Manarang stops and launch. That's no good para dito kay Denmark. Comes Brian Manso finding Maggie Gutierrez. He will be fouled. It's a foul on John Kervin De Luna. That will be second personal foul and 13 foul ang naitatawag dito para sa Blue Steel. And he will be replaced by his twin brother, jersey number 12, John Kelvin De Luna. And here comes Manso on the letter. He finds Gutierrez for 3. That's no good, but Manso recovers that rebound. What a pass to Yunil Golpo. It's now only a 7-point lead para dito sa San Pablo. Flores finding Escoces cross court. Escoces losing possession of that letter. And here comes Golpo for another basket. No good. Manarang on the rebound. Flores penetrating to Fernandez again. What a pass there by Harold Flores to Aaron Clyde Fernandez. Here comes Melgarejo. Will try to answer back. We're at 2. Escoces finding Manarang there. Manarang intercepted here by Yunil Golpo. Sorry, that's Barameda to Yunil. Out of bounds. Ball possession will remain on the side of Binyan. Barameda for 2. That's no good. Denmark secures that rebound. He's guarded very well by Yunil Golpo. Taking advantage of his length against Denmark. Flores with 10. And Escoces from way downtown. No good for Escoces. Still no good on that 3-point area para dito kay Escoces. And Brian Manso gets it. Basket, may kasama pang foul. And that's our Cobra Rise and 1 power play of the game brought to us by jersey number 77, Brian Manso. Baba sa 5 kalamangan dito ng San Pablo City. And now on the free throw line, we have jersey number 77, Brian Manso. A chance to cut down the lead even more. Yunil on that rebound. Here comes Manso penetrating. Manso! Back-to-back basket for Brian Manso, cutting down the lead to 3 for San Pablo. Manarang spins. Manarang is fouled. UC will be back inside, replacing Harold Flores. Under 2 minutes left for a second quarter. Gusi to Escoces. Escoces to De Luna for 2. That's no good. Brian Manso losing that possession. And De Luna lays it in. Sean Kelvin De Luna with another basket underneath. Comes Brian finding Austin, intercepted by Denmark. But Austin recovers that possession. Austin Yambao will be fouled. Foul on jersey number 5, Dennis Idlacan. First personal foul and a penalty para dito sa Blue Steel. First shot is good for Austin. Second shot is good. It's 2 for 2 for Austin Yambao, cutting down the lead once again to just 3. Escoces will try to penetrate, but he loses possession of that basket. Sidlacan recovers that ball. Sidlacan to De Luna fakes. That's a traveling violation for De Luna. Brian is down here. Ben Manso is being attended there by our City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office of San Pablo. Brian Manso will be escorted back outside for our CDR MO or our medic to be able to assess him carefully. Ball possession para dito sa Binyan City. Carencia is now back inside for Binyan. Magallanes. 2. Junil Golpo back to Carencia. Carencia being guarded by Denmark Manarang. Junil losing possession of that ball. 50 seconds left for second quarter. Another chance for Blue Steel to adapt to that lead. Gusi finding Escoses back to Gusi to Manarang. And Manarang will launch a long one. No good. Escoses is there. Escoses underneath that basket is good. Golpo. Intercepted here by Escoses. Escoses. Too good to Yambao Austin. Penetrating, no good. Golpo couldn't get that follow-up. Gusi. Nagmamadali. Gusi launching. That's no good. And that will be it for the second quarter. Official score is 40-35. 5-point lead para sa Blue Steel, San Pablo City. This is the start of our third quarter. This is still a matchup between San Pablo and Binyan. And to over that quarter, Kelvin De Luna on that try. Comes Magallanes, stops and launches. That's no good. Here comes Harold to David. Giro will be fouled. It's a foul on jersey number 18, Magallanes. That's Merwin's second personal foul. And first team foul for Binyan. Giro missing his first try. Second throw for David, still no good. Here comes Magallanes. Finding Union Golpo. To Bederico. Here comes Magarejo. Sorry, that's De La Cruz. And Magallanes with 5 seconds. That's out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Blue Steel. Flores setting up the play for his team. Flores will find Kenneth Gusi. And Kenneth losing possession of that ball. And that's a foul on Kenneth Gusi. That will be his first personal foul and first team foul for San Pablo. Back-to-back errors here from both teams. Magallanes finding Gutierrez. Gutierrez will try to penetrate on that defense of Kelvin De Luna. And that's more Gutierrez opening this quarter. And here comes Giro David. David, handoff to Kenneth Gusi. He will find Harold Flores. Flores penetrating, passing that ball to De Luna. De Luna against all odds on that basket. Sagutan ng puntos from the big men of both teams. Here comes that's Bederico to Golpo, missing that shot. Here comes Harold Flores finding Kenneth Gusi. He will find Giro David for Fee. No good, but Leon Panganiban is there. Still no good. Bederico. Oh, and that rebound. He loses that possession against Kelvin De Luna. Flores, no good, but Giro is there on that follow-up. Magallanes, almost a steal here. Here comes De La Cruz, finding Gutierrez. Gutierrez will find Magallanes, answers with a three-pointer. That's our first three-pointer for a quarter. Here comes Lian Panganiban. Panganiban will be fouled. Foul on jersey number 18 here, Merwin Magallanes. That will be his third personal and second team foul. Giro David on that quick basket. Makakalusot against that vision of Mark Gutierrez. That's Magallanes finding Golpo. Golpo attacking against that defense of Panganiban. Here comes Harold Flores, Kapitan, finding Kelvin De Luna. He misses that shot. And here comes Gutierrez. We'll pause for a while. And there's a whistle here. It's a foul on jersey number 19. Kenneth Gusi for a second personal foul and second team foul for Blue Steel. Almost Still here for Blue Steel, but here's Federico with that basket count with a foul. It's another foul on Kenneth QC. Bonus shot para kay Federico. Bonus shot is good para dito kay Federico. Flores to Giro David. David will find Doroca. And Doroca finding Panganiban. Panganiban's fence is blocked. That's a traveling violation para kay Lian Panganiban. It's just a 3-point lead here para sa koponan ng San Pablo. A chance for Binyan to either tie the game or make it just a 1-point lead. Para sa San Pablo, Manso is now back inside. Gutierrez will find Manso. Manso for two, no good. That's Doroca on that rebound. He finds Kelvin De Luna. Kelvin finding Doroca. Out of bounds, bola ng Binyan. Manso, bounce pass to Gutierrez. And Gutierrez against that defense of De Luna. And we have a whistle. It's foul on jersey number 12, De Luna. That will be first personal foul. The warning for penalty para dito sa Blue Steel. Carencia finding Gutierrez. Gutierrez with 10. Brian Manso will try to escape. 5 seconds to shoot. Gutierrez will launch a 3. Yes, sir! And Gutierrez ties the ball game, all 46. And we have a whistle here on jersey number 29, Yuniel Golpo. Comes Denmark Manarang back inside, losing that ball. Carencia finding Golpo. Golpo bounce pass to Brian Manso. To Carencia, losing possession. Here comes Harold. Flores will be fouled. It's a foul on Brian Manso. That will be his first, and a warning for penalty for Blue Steel. Sorry, for Binyan. Manarang gives that ball to Kelvin De Luna. To Harold Flores, he will find Doroca, but there's an interception there. But Manarang recovers that possession. Manarang they are both down here. And Yuniel Golpo is down. Ball possession of Binyan. And this is a chance for Binyan to take the lead for this ball game. It's Brian Manso. Manso gives the ball to Gutierrez. He finds his teammate, no good. That's Carencia with an attempt. to get the lead. Doroca on the leather. Doroca stops and launch a long one. That's no good for John Lloyd. Here comes Austin on the move. Austin sidesteps, but there's a whistle here. It's a foul on jersey number 15, Doroca. That will be his second personal foul and a penalty for Blue Steel. Under 4 minutes for third quarter. Austin gets the lead. Second throw still is no good. Para dito kay Austin Yimbao. It's a 1-point lead now for Binyan. Giro David on that letter. Giro passes the ball to Escoces. He will fire a three. No good. Denmark is there. On that rebound, Manarang dancing to David, firing a three. That's Giro David reclaiming the lead for San Pablo. Carencia finding Manso. Malilibre si Bederico. Bederico will attack and he will get a foul. It's a foul on Escoces. That will be second personal foul. Again, Blue Steel is on the penalty. Actually, both teams are already on the penalty. Carencia gets that first row. It's 2 for 2 para kay Carencia. And he ties the ball game once again. Manarang will try a basket here. That's no good. We have a whistle on jersey number 12, De Luna. That will be a second personal foul and a penalty para dito sa Blue Steel. And a chance for Manso to take the lead for Binyan. First shot is good. Second shot no good. Escoces on that rebound. Escoces finding De Luna. Back to Escoces. Escoces with 14. Here comes Denmark Manarang on that letter. Back to Giro David for another three. This time no good. De Luna is there. On the follow-up, still no good. Here comes Austin. Yambao spinning. Yambao finding Carencia to Manso. Faking a three. To Mark Gutierrez. That's no good. And a foul there on jersey number 99, Denmark Manarang. That will be a second personal foul and a penalty. Now Bederico on the line and shooting two. First shot no good for Bederico. Second shot still no good. Rebound secured by Aaron Clyde Fernandez. Comes Escoces, a chance for them to reclaim the lead. Escoces no good. Manso. Finding Carencia, back to Manso. Manso against the defense of Escoces. Manso will hesitate. Here comes Austin. Austin back to Manso for a long one. Yes, sir! Sorry, that's a two-pointer para dito kay Brian Manso. It's now a 3-point lead for Binyan. And Giro will lose that possession. Here comes Austin Yambao. Austin. It's a miscommunication here for Binyan. Escoses finding De Luna. De Luna for 2. It's in and out para dito kay De Luna. Monso finding Federico underneath that basket. It's now a 5-point lead para sa Binyan. Official score is 54-49 in favor of Binyan. And a timeout para dito sa San Pablo City. We are back to the ball game. After the timeout from Blue Steel, how will they answer back with a throw-in? From Binyan, here comes Denmark. Manarang gives that ball to Panganiban back to Manarang. He'll find his team captain, Harold Flores. To Lian Panganiban, back to Harold, to Denmark. Manarang penetrating, finds Panganiban, launching at 3. That's short. And another foul here for De Luna. A chance for Binyan to extend that lead. Austin on the free throw line. It's now a 2-possession ball game para dito sa Binyan. Austin Yambao shooting 2 throws. It's now a 7-point lead for Binyan with 45 seconds left for the third quarter. Here comes Harold finding Aaron Clyde. Aaron will lose that possession. Here comes Federico with a 2. Yes, sir! It's now a 9-point lead rather. Here comes Lian Panganiban for 2. That's no good. Kervin De Luna still no good, and there's a foul. Oh. First throw for Kevin is good. Centro is short para kay Kervin De Luna. Last 18 seconds for the third quarter. A chance for Binyan to extend this lead. Migarejo to Federico with 12 seconds. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. And that's short. And that's it for the third quarter. Official score is 58-50 in favor of Binyan City. And this is the start of our fourth and final quarter. It's still Binyan City. Golpo, what a pass. It's still Binyan City versus San Pablo City. Bederico. Bederico will be blocked here. Here comes Flores. Giving that ball to Kelvin De Luna. De Luna is in trouble here. He finds Flores. Flores with 14 on the shot clock. Flores for his first basket. No good. De Luna gets that basket with a foul. It's foul on jersey number 5, Barameda. We have an official's review here. A double technical will be whistled. And the double technical will be whistled for jersey, both jersey number 29s, Golpo and De Luna. And we're back to the ball game. On the free throw line for his bonus shot is John Kelvin De Luna. And Kelvin De Luna getting that 3-point, three-point chance para dito kay De Luna. 5-point lead, but Magallanes answers back quickly for 3. That's an 8-point lead once again para dito sa City of Binyan. Denmark finds De Luna. And Panganiban will penetrate. De Luna again on that basket, still no good. Flores saves that possession. Panganiban with a spin. Panganiban, still no basket for Lian Andre. A lot of second chance here for San Pablo. Era steal by Magallanes. Finding Golpo is blocked by Flores. And a foul for Golpo. That will be Unil's third personal foul. Flores setting up that play. He finds Denmark Manarang. Manarang. Manarang finding Giro David. David with 10. Flores. Flores to Manarang underneath that basket. He misses. But we have a whistle here on jersey number 81. Gutierrez for his first personal foul and a penalty for Binyan. And now on the free throw line, we have jersey number 99, Denmark Manarang. Denmark gets his first throw. Second throw for the Assassin is no good. Almost a steal there by Flores. Yambao on that letter. Finding Magallanes. 10 seconds to shoot. And that's a foul on jersey number 99, Manarang. Then, sorry, that's Manso to Carencia to Austin Yimbao. Back to Manso. Manso with 5 seconds. He will be blocked. Ball possession will go to Blue Steel. 7-point lead here for Binyan. David gives that ball to Flores. Flores finding Denmark. Manarang bounce pass. And there's a whistle there by for Kelvin De Luna. Manso. And there comes De Luna to David. His block. Kelvin De Luna on that follow-up. Here comes Manso. Manso on the letter against the defense. 10 seconds to shoot. Manso for 2. Manso on that follow-up. Still no good. Panganiban couldn't get that one. And here comes Austin Yambao. 10 seconds to shoot for Austin. Yes, sir! Back to 7-point lead para sa Binyan. Flores finding Giro David. Denmark breaks. Denmark attempts at 3. And that's no good for Denmark, Manarang. Manso finding Bederico. That's a miss. Here comes Flores. Flores on the attack. That's a steal. Here comes Bederico. On the fast break, Bederico fakes. Bederico gets that basket. And a timeout will be called here by San Pablo City. Official score is 65-56 in favor of Binyan City. we are back to the ball game. After the timeout by Blue Steel, Giro finding Escoces, and Escoces will launch a three. Yes, sir! That's the first three-pointer here for Khalil Escoces for this quarter. What an answer to the timeout. And there's a whistle here for Giro David. Carenshaw finding Manso. Manso to Gutierrez, answers with a three. That's no good. De Luna on that rebound. He gives the ball to Manarang. That's a foul on Bederico that sends Binyan to a penalty. And on the line for two, we have John Kervin Duluna. First shot no good for Kervin. Second shot no good. Austin Yambao on that rebound. He finds Brian Manso. Back to Yambao. Manso. Manso will penetrate. He passes that ball to Austin. Austin for two. What a basket there for Austin Yambao. Brings back the lead to 8. Para dito sa Binyan. Flores finding Escoces again. Back to Flores. To Escoces for another try on the three-point area. No good. Kervin is there on the save. Kervin De Luna. No good. Escoces on the follow-up is fouled. And now on the free throw line, we have Khalil Escoces. Shooting two. First throw is good for Khalil. It's 2 for 2 para dito kay Khalil Escoces. Official score is 67-61. Bederico will fire a long free. No good. Flores is there on the rebound. He finds then Mark Manarang. Manarang umatake. Manarang sasalaksak. Gives the ball to Kervin De Luna. Mapapalakas yung tira dito ni Kervin. Manso on the ladder. Being guarded by Escoces. Interception here by Kervin De Luna. And a timeout for Binyan City. Coach Nagy, 12 seconds to shoot here for Binyan. Austin almost losing that possession. 10 seconds to shoot. Yambao with 5 seconds. And Carenshaw will try. Here comes Flores, a chance for Flores. Gives the ball to Escoces. Finding De Luna. Escoces to Flores. Flores outside pass. To Manarang for 3. Yes, sir! And that's Denmark Manarang for 3. And Gutierrez will try. It's no good. Austin is there. 10 seconds to shoot. And it's still here for Escoces. Escoces magmamadali. Behind the back pass to Denmark. Manarang gets it. Basket. Micah Samuel foul. A chance for the Assassin to tie the ball game.
Ano, Kuya Ambet? Sinasabi mo dyan? Ano?
The Assassin is now on the line. Manarang missing that one, but Escoces is there. Escoces is blocked. Escoces to De Luna, back to Escoces underneath. No good. But there's a whistle here. That's a foul on jersey number 44, Khalil Escoces. That sends Bederico on the free throw line, shooting 2. That's now a 2-point lead para dito sa Binyan. Bederico on his second throw is good. Flores finding Escoces to tie the game. That's no good para dito kay Khalil. And Escoces. And that's San Pablo possession. Just a one-possession ball game para dito sa Binyan. Escoces will try another one, but that's no good. De Luna is there on the rebound and follow-up basket for John Kelvin De Luna. Things are getting interested here, mga ka-Velvet. It's just a 1-point lead para sa Binyan. No basket here. And that's the official's review here to check if it's a basket count or not. And our officials have reviewed their recent call. And upon review, no basket. But Manso is on the line, shooting 2. It's a foul on jersey number 12, John Kervin De Luna. It's 5 fouls para dito. They will be replaced by Lian Panganiban inside for Blue Steel. Manso getting his first throw. Second throw is no good for Brian Manso. Ball possession of San Pablo City. It's under 2 minutes left. 2-point lead dito para sa Binyan. Chance for San Pablo here to tie the ball game. Denmark gives the ball to his team captain, Flores to Escoces. Escoces back to Flores and he finds Manarang. Back to Flores to Escoces with 8 seconds. Escoces with 5 seconds to shoot. He finds Denmark. Denmark hesitates. Denmark to Flores. Firing. It's a 24-second shot clock violation. Escoces against Manso. Manso finding Gutierrez here. Gutierrez to Carencia. Carencia finding Manso. That's a traveling violation for Brian Manso. A chance again for Blue Steel. Manara on that letter. Heavily guarded here by 2 from Binyan. And Escoces for 3. That's no good for Escoces. Lian is there. But there's a whistle here. On jersey number 81. Gutierrez for his second personal foul. Sending Binyan into a penalty. Chance here for Lian Andre to tie the ball game for San Pablo. First shot no good. Second shot for Panganiban, still no good. But Escoces is there. Escoces will be blocked. It's out of bounds. Bola ng Binyan. And the timeout will be called by Binyan City. Shout out to Coach Jeric Marasigan of AG San Pablo City. And we will be back after this break. we are back to the ball game. Interception here. Ball possession still in Binyan. Austin gets that, receives that ball rather. Here comes Manso. With a lane, no good. But there's a whistle here for Escoces. It's a foul on jersey number 44. Escoces is warning for Gradu here and a penalty for Blue Steel. A chance to make it a 3-point lead. It's now 71-68. A pass by Harold Flores. It's Gervin De Luna. 41 seconds, it's 71-70. A 1-point lead para dito. And Golpo receives that ball. Golpo finding Austin. Austin hesitating for a 3. David finding Austin Yambao. He finds Gutierrez. Mako gets that basket. And a steal here. That's Federico to Escoces. Finding Denmark. Manarang stops and launch a 3. No good, but Flores is there. Flores. And a timeout will be called here by Blue Steel San Paulo City with 1.8 second remaining time. Official score is 73-70 in favor of Binyan. For a fourth and final quarter. Let's see how Blue Steel plans to extend this ball game. Will they have a quick 2 or a long 3? David maglalabas ng bola, finding Khalil Escoces for 3. And that's it for the ball game. Our winner of the game, none other than City of Binyan. And our best player of the game, and our best player of the game, wearing jersey number 77, Brian Manzo. And stay tuned mga kababat because we still have our main event for the day. It's AG San Pablo City versus Binyan City.
Good evening, everybody. This is Shikaina Shalshir, courtside reporter. I am here together with Binyan. Congratulations for winning against San Pablo City. And together with the best player, jersey number 77, Mr. Manzo. What were your comments regarding sa pinakita mong game ngayong gabi?
Nagpapasalamat po kami dahil nakuha namin itong panalong to and kahit na-injure kami, nakuha pa rin namin. Tapos, ayun lang. Maraming salamat din po kay God sa mga coaches. Sa family Gutierrez, family Melgareo, family Ambao. Salamat po sa mga suporta nyo.
Ano ba yung comments mo nung sa inyong sa team mo, the moment na nalaman nyo ang kalaban nyo ay San Pablo? We all know na wala pa silang talo.
Nilakasan lang po namin yung loob namin, nakinig kami sa mga coaches namin. Tapos kahit kulang-kulang kami, talagang nagtiwala lang po kami.
Maraming salamat po. On the other side, we have their coach. Coach, ano pong masasabi nyo for a great win and unfortunately a tough loss for San Pablo? Ano pong comments nyo and Pablo ready? The moment na nalaman nyo San Pablo ang kalaman nyo, we all know na San Pablo has a streak and you broke the streak for San Pablo.
Unang-una talagang medyo mababa yung moral namin nung pumunta kami this game dahil ang players namin halos lahat nasa Inter High opening kanina. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, kumpiyansa, huwag masisiraan ng loob, ilaban natin kung ano yung lineup na meron tayo.
Ano po mga defenses and offenses ang in-apply nyo during the game?
Nung una, nagtutuwan ako para maantimano, makuha na namin yung point guard nila para hindi na makapenetrate.
Maraming salamat po. Coach, may gusto po ba kayo shoutout who's currently watching us live and who supported you here at the gymnasium?
Binabati ko pala yung mayor namin sa walang sawang pagsuporta and Gutierrez family sa full support sa team and tropang Alonte Arena, Sports Arena, binabati ko kayo. Shoutout sa buong Binyan. Thank you.
How about you, Mr. Manzo? May gusto po ba kayong shoutout who supported you during live and here at the gymnasium?
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa pamilya Gutierrez dahil sa kanila, nakapunta kami ng safe dito and sa mayor namin, Mayor Jelalante, maraming salamat po sa team ko, Tudi Jam, JNU and sa Tripoli kay Boss Almer. Maraming salamat po. And maraming salamat San Pablo, ang ganda ng court nyo.
Once again, congratulations for Binyan for winning tonight's game. And also congratulations, Mr. Manzo, for being the best player. This has been again Shikaina Shalshir, courtside reporter. Back to you guys.